Hello, my name is Levin, and I am going to show you my website called SOKKIE.com, and I'm going to show you something new that is SOKKIE Yourself. And let me go to the link here. Okay. Okay, better. All right. So I will go back so you can see everything. All right, this is my website. This is everything we designed. This is my good looking self. I have a dirt bike. And to describe me, I am a dirt bike rider. My favorite food is corn dogs. And I'm a sock designer, like I'm showing you right now. So my job is a sock designer. I'm 8 years old. Oh my gosh. And so you come here and press design now or SOKKIE Yourself. You can design anything you want. This is really what we're selling right now. So and just design something else. Hold on. Oh my gosh, bro. All right, I guess I'll design these. All right, so hopefully these work better. So I can flip them back and front, and you can see it because got these holes over here. See all of that? Then you can't. So that's how you know it's flipping. And the image I'm going to add for this is going to be some like, you know what? Let me add my color first because oh wait, I want to show you something. So if you go to add image, then you press upload. I can do something like this. You know, you can choose your own image, like to make a design or anything like that. I like to put it on the very top or corner where it ends. I'm gonna slide it down. Maybe put it in the middle so I can make it even bigger. I cannot make it any bigger, so I am just going to add another layer of it. So apparently you can do that. Wait, let me see if that what layer up means. Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna add an image. Go here, click on it. Okay, here's another one. Oh man, I'm moving the wrong one. Oh my god. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, all right, yeah, looking kind of nice. But then I am going to add image, and then I'm going to add, I can add this, make it bigger. Yeah, extend on that. And then I can add another image, like some like, I'm gonna switch it on right upside down. And I can't turn it around. No, I'm so mad. Okay. That apparently is the wrong way. So I am going to delete it and then get another image. So I guess I could do this one. Get bigger. It's looking kind of dope. Alright, so I'll make them stand on that too. And then boom, they go on your feet. Then I'm not done yet. Boom. I think I have a good idea for this one. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom, just not the pictures that's on right now. So I'm just going to put the lava in the fire from the sun. I make these myself. So I want to flip it that way. That's a way better idea than what I was doing. Nope, that is totally not. Okay, yep, that's better. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's add the next one on the other sock. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna switch it around. I was about to say switch it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm doing a lot of movement. This is crazy. Like, how much movement do I have to- Okay, all right. Yeah, so flip it front, flip it back, whatever. It's all love. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I had to show y'all for real. That's my website. Go to it. It's called SOKKIE.com. And hope you have fun designing your own socks. Bye.